playing skee-ball. Wilder's doing good. Here we are on the sky lift. We're going up to the top of that mountain. We have a long way to go. Long way to go. And I believe we're stopping right now. Maybe not. No stopping. Here's my partner, Amy Wood. Amy? Yeah? So you want to say hi to the camera? Oh. And, okay. Can we zoom in? Mm-hmm. There's Mildred, Emily, and Mike behind us. You can go ahead and zoom in. There they are. Hey, y'all. Hello, Emily. Emily. Hey. Hey, honey. Hey. We still gotta go all the way up there. Maybe we could have drove up here. It's a long way to the ground. Push the red button? Yeah, zoom in. There they are. There they are, hundreds and hundreds of feet up in the air. Say hi to your Bobo. Bye. She's waving. Did you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Emily. Hey. Hi. She's waving. See, this is how high we are. Let's look down. Oh, Lord, have mercy. See, all I got in my There's where we started. And there's the mountains. Isn't that pretty?
Why don't you use this one over here? I think you can see the town better. I got a quarter. Come over here.
There's Gatlinburg down there. Space Needle.
I find anything I can see our hotel. You see it, Space Needle plane down there. That's down there. The other things are moving on.
Break, so we'll have time to get on there. Mildred rode the sky lift and pulled the brake and the whole lift had to stop just for her. What do you think, Mildred?
Well, I think that's just me.
Hey! Shake's a little going down. Emily! Look up here, Emily! Oh. What's wrong?
Mike's mad at her.
Why?
She said, no. Mike says, no.
Uh-oh, she's crying. She's trying to get out of his arms. Hello, Amy.
Hope she don't drop that pacifier up here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I heard her say bye-bye. This is where we are. Way up here.
I don't think she cares.
Here we are, it's 8 o'clock at night. Mike decided we need to take a little trail. So, here we are. We're enjoying it. Mildred's getting out on the rocks on the creek. That's smart, isn't it?
Emily got her feet wet in the creek.
Come on. That's the little road we're driving on. That's one narrow. There's the van. There's where we came from. Very pretty.